Get it. Get it. Hey guys, welcome back to Live Your Style. I'm Sharrah. And today, thanks to LG, I'm going to share with you some really great tips on cleaning your space. You know how I feel about vacuums, and you know how I feel about vacuums that are portable without a cord. They are my best friend. And today I really wanted to make this video because I feel like it's real life of what's going on right now. Tyler's breakfast. You guys know we just moved. We're in the middle of the house to home series. Usually we're used to like, I don't know, 500 square feet, and now we're in 1,500 square feet. And I feel like things get messy. They just get really messy really quickly. So these last few weeks, I've been doing a quick little cleanup every single day. It only takes about half an hour. Tyler usually helps me. And I wanted to share it with you guys because I think it's applicable and I think it's relatable and I think everyone out there goes through the same thing. This may be obvious to some of you, but I have just realized that if I leave it all to do like on a Saturday, then I end up having so much more work to do when it comes to cleaning than if I just clean as I go and pick up after myself. And it only takes about 30 minutes. So I'm gonna give you guys all the tips to do that. Some of you guys may remember that I did a video like this like 4 or 5 years ago when I lived in that teeny tiny studio apartment. And that one was cleaning your space in 15 minutes. Now I got bigger space, so I'm gonna do cleaning your space in 30 minutes. And the whole point of this is to help you guys do it too. So get up, bring your phone, bring your computer, put on your TV, and start cleaning with me because this is gonna be something that'll really help you if you do it. Don't just watch it, do it with me. Also, I have really, really great news, and that is LG is not just giving me a lovely vacuum, they are giving you guys lovely vacuums. I have 20 vacuums to give away. Yes, 20. This is an incredibly nice vacuum. You wanna stay tuned to the very end to learn how to enter. Thumbs up this video, hit the subscribe button if you have not yet joined the Live Your Style fam, and let's get into cleaning this house. First things first, well, I want to ask you the question of the video. You thought I forgot, didn't you? The question of the video is, what is the messiest room in your house right now? Comment below. Leave me your messiness. Hopefully you'll work on that room right now when you're watching. Also, if you want to do a double comment, today's Elena's birthday, leave her a happy birthday and guess how she spells her name, because maybe you don't know how she spells it. And you'll probably spell it in a lot of different ways, kind of like my name. We have that in common. I would like you to also notice I have holes in my clothes because these are my cleaning clothes, and I'm not wearing lipstick because I'm cleaning, but I am wearing fake lashes. Don't you worry. First things first, gather all of the necessary supplies. That way you have what you need when you need to clean. There's nothing worse than getting kind of in a groove and then realizing you left something in the garage, or you actually don't have any Windex, or you need to go get more paper towels or whatever. Get what you need to get, have it all in one place, kind of have your cleaning products hub, and then get to work. So for me, I've got a cleaning cloth, I have a trash bag, magician's sponge, a magician's sponge, I don't think that's trademarked. My glass cleaner, I have some all-purpose cleaner in a cute little glass bottle, and I have my paper towels. Okay, and this is the LG Cord Zero stick vacuum. I call him Fred. He's very modern, and he's very slender. Remember I told you that I'm giving away 20 of them? Well, they're giving away 20 of them. I'll just say I'm giving away. You're welcome. It's Merry Christmas. There's an extender on this bad boy. You can go as long as you need, but here's what I love about it. The battery is 80 minutes long. There's 2 of them, they come out and you can charge them, and you can charge it at the same time as you're charging the other one in the little deck. One charges up first and the next one charges right after, and you don't run out of juice, which sometimes that happens, and then most of the time you're kind of screwed once the battery runs out. And if you have a house that you need to keep vacuuming and you only have a cord-free vacuum, that's not a good place to be. This guy will not have that problem because he's got 2 different batteries that you can take out and replace. There is one-touch control, which I love. You don't have to hold any sort of trigger the whole time you're using it. Just touch this little guy, and then you turn him off. There's so many different attachments. It's really lightweight, it's very agile. I can get underneath the sofa, I can get up into a corner. It has really great suction. It's appropriately sized, so it's not too overweight. And you can wash the little cyclones in here. You can clean them out, you don't have to put bags in. Last but not least, when you guys go to charge it, you don't have to nail it into the wall. There is like a stand. I think there's 3 different ways that you can set up the charging base, and it looks really nice, which I think is important. And you also want to charge really well, which it does. So 20 people are gonna get to win this guy. It's a great addition to your lineup of cleaning products, and this guy I'm going to use to clean all day today. Let's get into number 2, which is technically the first thing you do when you clean, but it's the second in this video. Ready, go. Let's go. Number 2, pick up all the trash. You want to look for things that are very obviously trash, like wrappers or empty bottles or random pieces of paper that you don't need, or like Kleenex. You also want to be mindful of things that are like old receipts that maybe you don't even need anymore, that you've just been kind of hoarding and holding on to. See if it's in the return window anymore and throw it away if it's not. Okay, ready? Grab your plastic bag, your trash bag, and let's go. See, it is Elena's birthday, I told you. I decorated. Perfect example of trash. Don't look here, don't look here. I haven't shown you this room yet. Aha. Trash. Take your boxes, maybe don't put those in your trash bag, but things that you know are empty, that are just random, that you don't need to keep, get rid of it. Old papers. And it's already gonna look better because you have all the garbage gone. Then you go on to number 3. Okay, so number 3, go around your house and look for things that are not in their rightful place. Like for example, I have tanner, I have tape, lip gloss, and Scout spray collar. These do not belong in my closet / relaxation room. So I'm going to grab all the things I see that don't belong in here. I'm gonna go to a central area, which for me is my bedroom. I'm gonna put a big blanket down on my bed, and then I'm gonna put all the things that are in wrong places on that big surface and kind of separate it by category there. That way I have a central hub where everything is gathered, and then I can disperse and put it away. Ready? Let's go. Okay, Scout stuff, bathroom stuff, closet stuff, bathroom stuff. What else? Be smart about this step and don't throw an open coffee on your bed. Ooh, I see stuff out of place. This does not go here. So, who got all these socks out, you think? Huh? Is that you? Little Miss Sock Queen. What's her favorite snack? Socks. Found something that does not belong. And it's empty, so we're safe. It can go in the kitchen pile. Scout, you can't steal stuff off the bed and put it back in the wrong place. I caught you with the birthday hats. Excuse me, I think we need to have a talk. Are you trying to hide them? I still see them. Can I have them back, please? Please? I want more than just the plastic back. All right. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to. I know you're only trying to help. Ta-ta. And we all know that my clothes don't belong in here because I have a room for my clothes and this is not it. So sorry. Ah! Are you doing what I think you're doing? What are you doing? Hey, okay, no. No, thank you. These are for your birthday, Scout. You can't have them early. Office. Clothes that go in my closet. I think our job is done. Well, this step is done. Now it's time to move on to step number 4. Step number 4, go get yourself some baskets. If you don't have baskets, you could do this just by picking it up, but it is kind of fun if you have an extra basket hanging around. Pile up whatever category you want to start with and take it to that room, put it all away, then come back, load up another basket, and go to another room and put it all away. Once you have all your baskets full and put in their rightful place, you're gonna have things off the floor, you're gonna have the clutter gone, everything's gonna be in its home and so happy. Doing this process is gonna help you start to see results really quick and gonna get you energized about it and gonna help you keep your momentum and get things cleaned up. Ready? Let's go. One for the kitchen, one for my office. The kitchen is done, the closet is done. I just have to unpack some stuff in the garage and put some stuff away in my office, and I am done cleaning up my clutter. It was so fast. And one thing to remember with this process, if you guys go into a room like your kitchen and you're going to put kitchen stuff away, you don't want to take, even though your kitchen may be a mess, you don't want to take messy kitchen stuff out of the kitchen into your central space. You're only taking things that don't belong in that particular room into the central space. Then once you get your basket and you come back to that room, like the kitchen, that's the time to put all the things in the basket away and also to pick up the random miscellaneous stuff and clean up that room until it's done. Then you move on to the next basket in the next room. Okay, so we've cleaned up all of our trash. We have gathered all of the randoms around the house. We have put everything in its rightful place. And now we are back to our central location on the bed. I have cleaned everything off of it, put everything away, and now I'm going to make the bed. Now the reason I don't make the bed right away when I'm doing this process, because I want to just throw everything on the bed, on that blanket. It ends up like I need to fix the bed at the end anyway. So get everything off the bed and then make your bed, and then we're almost done. Ready, set, go. Now you're gonna need to move. Cellophane. Whoosh. Mwah. Whoosh. And just like that, we're done. Just kidding. 2 more steps, and this is the best step of them all. Number 6, time to vacuum. Everything's off the floors, everything's put away, our surfaces are nice and neat. Time to clean up the floors, and then we're going to fluff and fold, and we're done. Ready, go. Come on, Scout. All right, you guys know how I feel about spiders and their webs. Let's go. Last but not least, number 7, go around your house, fluff, karate chop, fold your blankets, push in your chairs, straighten your picture frames, and you're done. Let's do it. You guys better be doing this with me. It's more fun when we do it together, you know? Okay, we'll put that pillow on Tyler's sofa. Okay, you guys, I hope that this was an encouraging video. I hope that you got up and did it with me. I hope your house looks nice and clean. This was a really fun video for me because I needed to do some tidying up around here. But also, those little 7 steps have helped me kind of clean up, keep the house tidy throughout the week. Thank you so much to LG for that awesome vacuum. You know I'm obsessed with vacuums, and so I'm really excited to continue to use this new vacuum and test it out and do all the tricks. And Scout and I, you know, we like to play with it. It's like our thing. You gotta do something with the dog, right? I guess I could throw the ball, but why not vacuum with her? And don't forget, if you guys want a chance to win one of these incredible vacuums, go ahead and check the link below. All the details are down in the description box, and good luck. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video. Click the link below to subscribe if you have not joined our little family, and go over to Instagram and check out my Instagram at Sharrah Stevens. If you haven't followed there, we do monthly giveaways of a bunch of different decor items, some of my favorites. Follow on Instagram and like every photo that I post that month, and you're entered to win. I will see you guys next week. Have a wonderful week and weekend, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye. You want to smell it? Smell it? Ooh.